Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notification.
Welcome friends. This is a 32-inch HD-ready smart Android LED TV. In this TV the complaint is double image and color changing problem. As we discussed earlier, these types of complaints are mainly due to internal shorting in Gatesignals inside the glass panel. The shorting may be either from the left side or right side of the glass panel. If both sides of panel Gatesignals are short, then repair is not possible. Anyway, let's start the repair. This panel comes with a UO panel. This is the panel scaler board. It's a single COFA UO panel. These are the Gatesignals from the right side and left side respectively. Here first we are going to cut down the right side Gatesignals tracks. See friends, after cutting the right side Gatesignals tracks the complaints remains same. So here we need to rejoin the cutted tracks completely and cut down left side Gatesignal tracks. See, after cutting left side also it shows no picture. This means that this panel is not repairable. Here panel replacement is the only solution. So that's it. Hope you liked this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. Thank you for watching.